One thing that Donald Trump prides himself on but never actually follows through with is transparency. He claims to be the most transparent president in American history. And now, with his second go around, he's brought in Elon Musk, and they're talking about transparency. Transparency. We need to show the American people the money that they have had stolen from them through all of this waste, fraud, and abuse. Transparency. Well, we're about to find out just how transparent they're willing to be. U.S. judge orders Doge and Musk to produce cost-cutting records. A U.S. judge has ordered Elon Musk and his Department of Government Efficiency to turn over a variety of records to answer questions describing their efforts to slash federal spending. Wednesday night's decision by U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan in Washington, D.C. came in a lawsuit by 14 Democratic state attorneys general against Musk, Doge, and Republican President Donald Trump. The states argued that Musk violated the Constitution by wielding power that only officials confirmed by the U.S. Senate can exercise under the Appointments Clause, and sought materials from him through a process known as discovery. Chutkan, an appointee of Democratic President Barack Obama, said her order focused mainly on who at Doge was making cost-cutting decisions and how far they could go. Quote, defendants argue that their inner workings of government are immaterial to an appointments clause claim, she wrote. The court is not convinced, but that is a legal issue appropriate for resolution after fulsome briefing. At this stage, she added, it is sufficient that plaintiffs' discovery requests intend to reveal the scope of Doge's and Musk's authority. The U.S. Department of Justice, which represents the defendants, did not immediately respond on Thursday to a request for comment. Chutkan limited discovery requests to material concerning agencies, employees, contracts, grants, federal funding, legal agreements, database and data management systems that involve or engage with the 14 states as well as entities they operate or fund. She rejected the state's request to obtain sworn testimony through depositions and said her orders do not apply to Trump. So, Musk wants to be transparent. He wants to show the American taxpayer everything. Here's your chance. You have now been ordered to turn over the records of what you found, how far you can go, who's authorized to do what, who's making these decisions. Here you go. You want to be transparent? Here's your opportunity to be transparent. Don't tell us you're going to be transparent. Show us you're going to be transparent. That seems to be the buzzword of the year, transparency. It's the hot button topic issue here in our local school board elections, and it certainly is something that we're seeing at the federal level, at least espoused by the MAGA crowd, right? The Republicans. Transparency. There you go. Be transparent.